Today we're diving into one of the coolest limited edition controllers of 2026, the GameSir G7 Pro Dragons Dogma Edition. This is the official collaboration with Capcom, packed with premium features like MagRes TMR Sticks, Hall effects triggers, 1000 Hz polling rate. Right out of the box, this thing looks epic. The custom faceplate has that rich Dragon's Dogma 2 fantasy artwork, golds, and in intricate designs that scream Granzy. The Dragon's Dogma 2 logo on the charging dock is also a nice touch. It feels premium in the hand, solid built, great ergonomics, similar to an Xbox controller but with some nice refinements. You get a mechanical D-pad, micro switch ABXY buttons that are crisp and clicky, and 4 extra programmable buttons, 2 back paddles lockable to avoid accidents, and 2 mini bumpers on the shoulders. The accessories are generous as well. You get a charging dock, 2.4 gigahertz dongle, braided USB-C cable, extra D-pads, and a cable retainer. This is a great unit. You also get a user manual, little leaflet, which has got the QR codes for Discord and contact. You get a little sticker. And of course, the most important one of all, you get a little Game Pass. And I haven't used it yet, so that'll be soon. This is the first Xbox licensed controller with MagRes TMR sticks. These hybrid sticks combine the best potentiometers and Hall effect for ultra smooth control, with excellent linearity, low power use, and basically zero stick drift. It's been tested with 5 million plus cycles and it's super precise. The Hall effect analog triggers with dual mode stops. You can switch between full range or hair trigger mode for shooters and fast action games. It has tri-mode connectivity. It's wired for the Xbox Series XS, officially licensed, 2.4 gigahertz wireless, or wired for the PC with 1000 Hz polling rate for insanely low latency, and Bluetooth for Android. 6-axis gyro for motion controls on PC. There's a 3.5mm audio jack that works wired and wirelessly. There are 4 rumble motors for immersive feedback, and it's fully customizable via the GameSir Nexus 2 app for dead zones, stick curves, button mapping, macros, well, basically everything. If you're looking for a premium feeling controller, this GameSir G7 Pro Dragons Dogma 2 Edition is definitely for you.